Good morning, students. So, today from Standard 6 English Medium, Unit 7. Which unit? Unit 7. So, today I am going to revise the answer and questions. Okay. So, what we do today? Revision. What? Revision. Let's see. Here given the answer the following questions. What? Answer the following questions. See the first question. Then the situation changed. What is being referred to? So in this chapter the question here asked, situation change, what is being referred to? See the answer. The reference here is to situation in which Jumman's aunt transferred her property to him. What? Transferred her property to him. That is being referred to. That situation changed. Question number 2. Here, see. When Jumman's aunt realized that she was not welcome in his house, what arrangement did she suggest? See the answer. Jumman's aunt suggested that Jumman should give her a monthly allowance. With that, she could set up a separate kitchen. Jumman's aunt realized that Jumman's wife did not do good with her. So, Jumman's aunt realized that. So, she wanted monthly allowance. For what? For set up a separate kitchen. Now, question number 3. What was the villagers' reaction when the aunt explained her case to them? Jumman's aunt explained this to the villagers. What the villagers' reaction? Let's see. The reaction of the villagers was varied, different. Some sympathized with her, some laughed with her. Others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. Question number 4. Why was Jumman happy over Algu's nomination as head punch? Why? Why was Jumman happy? Let's see the answer. Algu was Jumman's best friend. Jumman felt confident that Algu would judge in his favor. So, he was happy over Algu's nomination as head punch. Why? Because of they were good friends. When Jumman heard about his name as head punch, she was very happy. And she showed that his friend Algu given to whom? Given to the judgment in favor of Jumman. Question number 5. God lives in the heart of the punch. The aunt said. Who said? The aunt said. What? The aunt said God lives in the heart of the punch. What did she mean? This phrase, what does she mean? The aunt meant that a man in the seat of a judge represents God, who had head punch, who sit and who gave the judgment. He or she represents God. Everyone is equal for him. For whom? For given the judgment. Head punch. For him, all are equal. Hence, he cannot do injustice to anyone. Who seated as head punch, he or she cannot do injustice to anyone. Then next, what was Algu's verdict as head punch? How did Jumman take it? Algu's verdict was that Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property went back to her. Jumman was stunned. From that day, he began to count Algu as one of his enemies. He was burning with the desire to take revenge on him. What was Algu's verdict? Algu said, as head punch, he gave the decision in favor of her aunt. If he was not ready to give monthly allowance to her, gave back to her property. While hearing this decision, Jumman was turned up. And for that day, Jumman's enemy, Algu was Jumman's enemy, and Algu decided to take revenge on him. 7. Algu found himself in a tight spot. What was his problem? Algu's problem was that he had sold his bullock to Samju Sahu. Now comes to who? Algu's problem. Algu had already sold his bullock to Samju Sahu, but there was something happened. That what happened? See, the bullock had died before Algu could receive payment from Sahu. Sahu now refused to pay. Okay, that was his problem. Question number 8. Why was Algu upset over Jumman's nomination as head punch? Algu was upset over Jumman's nomination as head punch. Why? Because he did not hope for any justice from Jumman. Why? Because already Algu as nominated as head punch, and he means who? Algu had given the decision in favor of her aunt. So this time Jumman's turn. So what happens? See, since the day he gave a verdict against Jumman, the latter had become inimical to him. That is why Algu was upset. Question number 9. What was Jumman's verdict as head punch? How did Algu take it? Jumman's verdict was that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. He said that Algu could not be blamed for the bullock's death. After hearing this, Algu was delighted. He could not contain himself and cried, "Victory to the Panchayat! This is justice. God lives in the voice of the punch." And next here, now comes to unit 8. So friends, this is the question answer of unit 7. I hope you understand about this revision work. In the next class, given to the question answer in unit 8. Thank you for that.